क्या दे रहे हो?
That equity is there in weed, that rich or poor, it doesn't matter, it's accessible to everyone.
At a time when drug consumption allegations on actor Shah Rukh Khan's son have put a spotlight on Bollywood, yet again, availability of narcotics discreetly in some parts of India shows the vulnerability of society's defense mechanism to stop this evil from entering young kids' lives.
Does the onus lie on celebrities whose movies and OTT series young Indian kids grow up watching? Here's what different stakeholders had to say.
Last 1 week in India has seen unforeseen developments in Bollywood after sleuths of Narcotics Control Bureau landed at Cordelia Cruise Emperor's ship, where allegedly a rave party involving actor Shah Rukh Khan's son was raided upon. That led to a recovery of prominent drugs like 13 grams of cocaine, 21 grams of charas, and 22 pills of MDMA, the NCB claimed. When the new Indian team travelled to some parts of outskirts of Delhi, NCR and Rajasthan, the reporters were shocked to see the stealthy exchange of money and small drugs. Sample this conversation when one of our team members pretended to be a potential buyer to make inquiries.
ये वाला कितने का?
सब 200 का।
200 का 100 वाला नहीं है?
हाँ 100 वाला है।
100 वाला नहीं है ना? 100 वाला दिखाना।
Punjab's drug controversy involving a wrestler turned alleged kingpin Jagdish Bhola and even politicians that almost cost Shiromani Akali Dal the polls in 2017. Even regular smuggling by Pakistan's ISI operatives into the borders of Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan have continuously raised eyebrows, most recent case being in Uri. Each case opens up into a new drug variety.
We think drugs are used by people who have all other needs fulfilled in their life. They have everything else served to them on platter, and that's why they digress towards drug use. I mean, this is a very narrow or a tunnel way of looking at drug use or substance use disorders. A lot of parents would try to seek treatment for their kids, and in fact, we have also had children, youths who would themselves want to opt for treatment once they realize that their use is causing them dysfunction, it's causing them problems in their personal and professional lives.
When the new Indian spoke to some of the youth who may have tried drugs, they insisted that the customers include everyone from the lowest to the highest strata. And surprisingly, that there can even be a reverse trend of real life influencing the Bollywood and its plots.
I usually do Mary Jane and stuff like that. Soft drugs, not hard ones. Basically, which I can procure from the market easily. For me, getting rid of drugs is actually not a big deal. Like I can do it today, but it's like I don't want to for now. Like the real life is actually kind of inspired by the real life. So if they are promoting drugs, then there are people doing drugs. So it's not a big deal if a star kid or a star is found using drugs.
When you go to score, right, the first few times that you go to score, you go to these dingy places where you mostly find rickshawalas, autowalas, you find, everyday laborers, you find these people जो अपने दिन की दिहाड़ी में से थोड़े पैसे वीट के लिए बचाते हैं, 20, 50, 100 रुपए की पुड़िया खरीदते हैं, उसे फूकते हैं और घर जाते हैं.
Dr. Vashni further explains the difference between use and dependence of drugs.
Things like bhang, ganja, charas, cannabis, various forms and preparations of cannabis. Bhang, as you know, has been present in our socio-cultural milieu for decades and even centuries. Let's try to understand, let's try to differentiate the way we see substances which have been present, substances which have been present in our society for very long time with minimal dysfunction, from synthetic newer versions which are prepared in the laboratory and have much more likelihood to progress to dependence and cause harm. So let's learn to differentiate the two as society, then only we can take the narrative towards treating them differently. Globally, scientifically, this has been seen that incarceration or putting people who use substance behind bars, not only it not reduces substance use problems and addiction, but in fact, it has been shown that after release from prisons, the chances of riskier drug use increases.
Whether or not SRK's son, Aryan's case, opens Pandora's box on alleged involvement of other film stars, the drugs trade and the need to reform the system may be a huge concern.